Most people get confused when it's finally time to cash out from Honeygain. They earn credits for weeks, open the app, and suddenly don't know where the withdrawal button is or why the payout isn't working. Here's the truth no one tells you. Withdrawing money from Honeygain is actually simple, but there are a few important steps that can delay your payment if you miss them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw money from Honeygain in 2026, how the payout system works, the minimum cash out amount, and the common mistakes you need to avoid. And later, I'll show you the fastest way to reach payouts sooner. So first, let's understand how Honeygain payments work. Honeygain pays users in credits. Those credits slowly build up while the app runs in the background sharing unused internet bandwidth. Once your balance reaches the minimum payout threshold, you can request a withdrawal. Right now, the standard payout minimum is usually around $20 worth of credits before cashing out becomes available. This is where most people fail. They think they can withdraw instantly after installing the app. But here's the problem. Honeygain is a slow passive income app, so reaching the payout threshold can take time depending on your location and internet activity. Now let's go step by step. First, open the Honeygain dashboard on the app or website. Log into your account and check your current balance. Once you've reached the minimum amount, you'll see the payout option available. Next, choose your withdrawal method. Honeygain commonly supports PayPal, and sometimes alternative payout systems depending on your region. For example, Jake connected his PayPal account directly to Honeygain before requesting payout. That made the process much smoother because his account was already verified. Now here's where it gets interesting. Your payout can get delayed if your PayPal email doesn't match properly or if your verification details are incomplete. In a minute, I'll show you another mistake that causes payout problems for many beginners. After selecting your payout method, confirm the withdrawal request. Honeygain usually processes payments within several business days, although timing can vary depending on traffic and verification reviews. But here's the problem. Some users panic if the money doesn't arrive instantly. Payment processing is not always immediate. Sometimes verification checks slow things down temporarily. Another important tip is keeping your account active and legitimate. Avoid using VPN tricks, fake traffic methods, or multiple suspicious accounts. Honeygain's system can flag unusual activity, which may delay or even reject payouts. Now here's the easiest way to reach payout faster. Run Honeygain consistently on stable Wi-Fi and multiple supported devices if allowed under their rules. John left Honeygain running on an old laptop and his phone daily, helping him reach the payout threshold much sooner. So here's the bottom line. Withdrawing money from Honeygain is straightforward once you reach the minimum balance. Verify your payment details carefully, stay patient during processing, and avoid risky shortcuts that could hurt your account. If this video helped you cash out from Honeygain successfully, hit the like button, subscribe for more passive income app tutorials, and comment below how long it took you to reach your first payout.